Hi everyone, Chazz here again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the number plate lights. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll crack on with this one. Right, so for this, you need a set of these number plate lights that Andy Brooks sends out. These are quite good quality, I can say that for now. I'm going to change the dim one here and this one here because it's not working. Oh, excuse me, got a bit of wind. This is what you get in the pack. Two like this. And for this you just need a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to crack on with this. I've got my Phillips in the pocket. Come down here, undo. Nice and simple. There's two of these. Okay, so you undo them, and then that should pop out. I say should, but it there we go. Okay, so with one of these, as you can see, I've got all my lights on now, so you can see the second they're plugged in. See that instantly, how bright they are. Face them down and pop them back in. Do the screws back up and that's the job done. You can see the difference straight away. Oh, do you know I've got butterfingers today, guys, so I'm sorry. And you know, out of 10 I'd give these 10. I always rate Andy's products. You know, you can see it's the old halogen, and this one I did the new LED style. Let me turn my floodlight out and I will show you the difference before and after. Let me turn this off. See, so pretty good. You know, can't complain at that. So I'm going to change the other one. And get that light back on so you can actually see me. Oh, too far. There we go. The light I use is one of them cheap ones from what used to be Coombes, but now is not. It's a foldable tripod light, rechargeable, 2 settings, high and low. Good light. That's now a flat bed bulb, because that would have been hot. Should have really turned it off. There you go. And how long's that taken me amongst the talking? A couple of minutes. And it makes a huge difference to the back end of the car. So there'll be a description and a link to Andy's page and what he does below. If you like my videos and want to see more, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Cheers for your continued support. Hope you like these. Give Andy a shout out. As I say, hit that subscribe button down here. Give us a thumbs up. Stay safe as always. Take care. Bye for now.